Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I'll be sharing with you the second part of the manual sourcing demo. During the first video, I've showed you how to start sourcing from a particular store and some tips on how you can source quick. Now for this second video, I'll be sharing to you what you will be doing next if ever you found a good product that you can source and sell in Amazon. So I'm gonna give Playmobil store as an example for this video. So first of all you just need to do is highlight the name of the product, and if you have the Amazon right click extension installed, all you just needed to do is to right click the name, the highlighted product name, and simply click on search, and it will automatically search Amazon for the product. So make sure that you have the correct delivery postal code so that you can get the correct amount and the correct number of sellers from that product. Now, since the name of the product is very general, you have to add some descriptions to search the product correctly. So since this product is created by Playmobil, all you just need to do is to put the name of the manufacturer at the start of the product name. Then just simply hit on search. Alright, as you would notice, it will load up a couple of stores here. And just a tip, if you have the Amazon Quick View extension installed in your Chrome, you will immediately see or have a snapshot of what the ranking of the product is, its category, its ASIN, and how many FBA sellers are participating or selling the product. So first is you needed to compare if the products are the same. Check the labels, the picture, the packaging, and everything. So looks like this product is the same with the one at the store. So open the product and check how much it is being sold from the store. So if it's sold for £3.19, all you just need to do is to use your FBA calculator to compute the ROI and the profit. Alright, since you already have all the information you need, let's check each criteria. So yes, the item is eligible to sell. It's not hazmat restricted. This is the buy price. This is the sell price. So buy price is the amount that it is being sold at the store, and sell price is the amount which Amazon sells it for. So it will just FBA Wizard. You just needed to install this, and it will already compute the needed information. It will show you the fees, the FBA fees, and then it will give you the ROI and the profit of the product, and it will even give you the weight, the category, and the sales rank of the product. But if you do not want to rely on this information here, you can always check below. You can just install Keepa. It's actually a paid subscription that helps us to analyze the profitability of the product. So I will have another video so I can teach you on how you can read the Keepa graph, but for this video I'll be showing you the quick way on how to review the product. So once you have Keepa installed, you will be seeing 4 tabs here on top. So you can go to data, and it will load all the information about the product. So if your client's criteria is met, let's say for example, the client's criteria for the ROI is 30%. So it means that we're good. And then the profit criteria is at £2.50, then we're already good. Now we just need to check the sales rank. Usually sales rank criteria is for 100,000. Since this product is at 89,830 sales rank, so we're already good. And the usual criteria for the sales per month is 5. This product has 6. So it's good. Now, another criteria they want to look at is how many sellers are participating, or FBA sellers are participating in the product. Usually, the standard or the requirement of the client is 8. For this product, we have 5, so it's within criteria. And the next thing to check is the weight. Usually, clients would like to have 2,000 grams or 2 kilograms for them to avoid storage fees from Amazon warehouse. So for this product, it's 80. So this, I would say, is a good product. So once all criteria has been met, it's now time for you to input the product to your sourcing sheet. So clients have different sourcing sheets that they like to use. So this is the usual sheet that they have, but of course it will always depend on what the client wants. They will be the one to give you the sheet. All you just need to do is fill up all the information here. So for the date, it has to be in a day, month, year format. So today is August 11. And then reference, it will just be a count of just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say 1. So for your next product, it will be 2, and then 3, and then 4, and so on and so forth. Now for the name, you should always get the name as it appears in Amazon. You just needed to copy it. And then the ASIN, usually the ASIN can be found in the URL, or you can also find it down below here. Here. It's the same. Then just copy paste. And category, you can find categories down below here, or it's also available here in FBA Wizard or in Keepa down here. So there are a lot of ways where you can find the information. And next is for the shop. When we say shop, where is the product being sourced from? So well, in this case, it's coming from Playmobil. So all you just need to do is to put Playmobil here, and then shop URL. You just needed to copy the URL from the shop, and then Amazon URL, this one. Buy for price, of course, this is the buy for, how much the store sells it, and then how much Amazon sells it. That's the sell for price. Delivery cost. The delivery cost will be the one that is showing here from the store. Usually it won't appear in this portion. You just have to add the product to your cart and see how much the shipping and the VAT would be. So that case, that's 350 and 112. So that's 3.50 plus 1.12. So that's 4.62. Now FBA fee preview, that would be this one. So that's 3.97. And margin, usually call it margin or ROI. So at this case, it's 104.70, 104.70. And then profit per item, that is £3.34. So I usually have this blank. And then seller's rank. The ranking can be found here, here, or here, or down below here beside the category. So all you just need to do is to copy it. And then for the last month's sales, you can get that information either here, or you can analyze Keepa and count manually. I'm gonna teach that to you in another video. But for this video purposes, we can use this. So that's 6 And is the product identical? It means that is the product from the store in Amazon the same? So you just put yes. Store stock level. For you to identify this, some store would show it on the screen of the product, but some won't. So all you just need to do is to add the product to your cart and just simply increase the quantity from the cart. If the cart would accept that quantity, then that's the stock level. Usually clients would require you to have at least 5 in stock, so you can try putting 10 in your cart, and if it's accepted, then just put 10. Okay, how many sellers are on the listing? When we talk about sellers on the listing, it will only count those that do prime or do FBA selling. You can either check it here from this link, or it will be shown here. It should be new FBA. So this is 5. And then for when you click on the link here, it will give you the number of sellers. So usually the ones that has prime would be the FBA sellers, and the ones that do not have are the FBM sellers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So it's the same with the data that we have here in Keepa. So what you need to do is just to put 5 here. And then for the weight would be this one. It could be either shown here, or down below at the description here. So in this case, I usually use the one in Keepa, so that's 80 grams. Usually we have to use grams, not kilograms. It actually depends on your client what they wanted to see on your sheet. And then for the item size, you just needed to choose the biggest measurement. So if it's 15, 10, and 5, so 15 is the biggest, so you just need to put 15 here. Analysis and outcome, this is actually being filled up by the purchaser. So since you're a product sourcer, you don't need to put it here. And then you just need to put your comments, like good product, and then just give your suggestion and how many you would like to purchase. So usually what we do is that we do divide it with the number of sellers with the 30-day sales. Let's say this case 6, and we have number of sellers is 5. 6 divide 5, so that's 1.2. I would suggest 2 to purchase. And then for the confidence level, well, this has to be discussed further when we analyze the Keepa, because it will always depend if the price is stable or how many are competing with the product. So when you decide on a purchase, there has to be additional factors, not just the criteria from the client. So we're going to discuss that further in another video. But for this video purposes, I would say that only based on the criteria, this product would be a confidence level of 4. Why 4 and not 5? Because I would say that the sales and the number of sellers, if you're gonna divide the number of sales per seller, is just around 1.5 or 2, which is a little too low. But I'm still gonna put it on the sheet so that the purchaser could decide and my client could decide if they will buy it or not. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I'll be sharing the link of the Amazon Your Right Click extension and the link for the Amazon Quick View, so that it could help you on your sourcing activities or your work. Alright, thank you. Bye.